All right, folks, wanted to do an update before the market close. I'm really pumped up because I just got off the phone with one of our members who's just doing so well with the VRB. So let's take a look at the VRB today. He trades mainly the ES and the Russell. So he traded the ES. If you look at the ES today, it was bull mode. That's been that way since 9:05 this morning. Trade was 75.23 long with a 31 to 36 profit target. Now let's take a look at what that looked like over here on the cycles. All three of them rotated at 8:30, but it didn't break this VWAP. Oops, it didn't break this VWAP until here at 9:15. So if you wanted to wait till 9:15, look, you're not trading the opening range. This stands for VRB's volatility range breakout. So you're not trading the antiquated opening range breakout. But even if you just said 3 out of 4, we got a trigger here, and it said go long at 9 o'clock. But we really didn't get our first signal code till here at 9 o'clock. And at 9 o'clock, the VRB said go long at 75.23, and then look where this sucker went. This went to 75.63. It was a 20-point move, not a massive move, but look here to the right. Remember, over here's our P&L. That was a $2,300 move. Now let's look at the standard deviation, our Z-scores on the ES, kind of honing in on the ES today. But our first was at 9:15. So we're already in the market before, these ORB traders are waiting for 9:30, twiddling their thumbs. Where's 9:30 here? So they got to move here, okay? But look at the move we got. They got in here if they were lucky, or if they waited till 10 o'clock, they got chopped up. We already got it. This is common, guys. So this is 9 o'clock. We got here at 7:18 was our trigger, but our signal said don't get until 7:23. Bull long. Now check out the alerts. Okay, target hit. Let's take a look. Target hit on the NQ. Target hit on the gold. Target hit on the YM. Target hit on the ES. We're just getting. But this has been like this for the past 2 weeks. We just keep getting hit. And then if you want to keep your eye on some other things, so here's another one. Another thing I wanted to bring up was the 0 DTE. Take a look. Bear call spread 10.05. Let's look at that. So for you 0 DTE traders, let's refresh it. Okay. So we got the 750. We said short to 75.30, long to 75.50. Look at that. It was at 10.05. So if you wanted to take your money, you probably would have made some money right here. But it didn't even come close to 75.30. Okay? I shouldn't say it didn't come close. It hit 75.25. But check the gamma levels. We already had an implication down here. Now this is on the cash, but we brought it back over. I can put the ES here. Give me a second. Let me hit go. Okay. Yeah, 75. What did we start? So we saw the 75.30. 75.30. So we had a gamma level here at 75.50. Where else do we have another one? So that was a beautiful trade, 0 DTE here. We didn't get another trigger here because I got a little stricter on the algo that triggers it, and it went from, but it was still two out of 3, reversal short. That was again into the end of the day. So that's the 0 DTE. But how beautiful is this? Psycho Boss, boom, rotation. I mean, you could just trade this if you wanted to. Or, guys, if you're an ES trader, or I'm not an ES trader, an SPX trader, you got rotation here. There's another bull put spread here. Okay, now 4 out of 4 of them are up. You could have sold a bull put, taken a bullish position here, and made some money. Remember, there are basically 2 things as retail traders we want. We either want an indication that momentum is underway and it's going to continue, which we have here and here, okay? Or we have the probability of a mean reversion, which we have over here. So we have all our symbols, whether it's the euro dollar, forex pair, stocks, it doesn't matter. We already know which ones are going to be in play. In other words, there's only 2 ways we make money. One way is through momentum continuation or a mean reversion. So we have all the math squared away here. So that's just a summary of today, July 22nd. 358, the equity market's about to close. Just a super day. You got momentum here. You had momentum here. You could have traded that. You could have just traded the VRBs alongside Psycho Boss and standard deviations. And so there was our play for momentum. Here were our plays for, and we'll get it. I'll do that later today or tomorrow. And here are our spreads. So be sure if you're a spread trader to check out our new spread modules. This is beautiful because this is, you can build your own spread. For example, here's AMD and Intel. So if you're, oh, there it is, stock trader. If you want to trade Home Depot against Lowe's, okay, there's Home Depot and Lowe's. Look at that. It's in the top 98.8 percentile. So because it's in the bottom 1.2. So in other words, if I flip this and make it Lowe's Home Depot, it should be the 98. There it is, 98.8% percentile. God, that's a trade. I'm gonna do that trade. And then we also have standard deviation from the mean, which is high for a spread. And so you can build your own spreads. You can trade the ES against the Russell. If you're an ETF trader, you can build that over here. It's late in the day, so it's up there. There it is. SPY against the YWM. If you are a Forex trader, now you can see in real time what your pair really looks like, because now you can see the two of them individually. And yep, there's the market. It's closed. What else? Anyway, that's the update for today, July 22nd. Got an hour left for the futures market, but we're done and done. We made money on the ES on the 0 DTE. Okay, $400 credit. And then on the outrights, one ES, there was as much as $2,200 in that trade. But just a solid day. Just a solid day. Anyway, check us out. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at info@fittrader.io. Happy to go over the different features with you, lay out a plan based on the instrument you trade, your schedule, depending on where you are in the world. We'll help you put together a strategy. We're having so much fun watching traders make money on a regular basis, enjoying our methodologies, and we'll see you next time.